Hey guys, I just got my hands on the Kodak Charmera. Apparently this thing has been viral and everyone wants to get their hands on it, but I managed to get one. So this is a very neat product that it's actually a mini camera in a keychain format, where the thing that is interesting is it's a blind box. So you don't know what you're going to get. There are actually 7 designs in here, different designs, and one of it is a secret design. So yeah, so I think the thing that people got excited with it is like, you know, like Labubu, when you buy, it's a blind box and you don't know what you're going to get. And yeah, so there's 7 designs and I'm going to unbox it now. So yeah, here we go. Alright, so this is the box I'm going to unbox now. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, I got myself a scissors here. So yeah, so I'm just going to cut open the plastic. So I bought this for 188 ringgit, which is a standard price, I guess, for this camera. Sorry guys, this packing is a bit tough to open because I think the seller actually taped a lot of cello tape around it, so it's a bit hard to remove. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Got the plastic off. So this is the box. As you can see, it's a very mini camera and a blind box all in one. Nice. So there's 7 styles in total. These are the styles that you might get, either one and one special edition. All right, this is the one that it's a mystery. All right, so if you get this, you're very lucky. All right, so apparently there are 7 photo filters that you can change in the camera, and there are different frame types as well. Yeah, so yeah, man. Okay, so this is the outer box, and I can't wait to open it and see what I'm gonna get. Alright, so let me just break the seal. Alright, so what do you think I'll get? This one, or the special one? Man, this is exciting, man. Oh, what is this? Okay, some serial number. Oh, and I got the blue one. Nice. Let me see. Ding ding. Wow, so cute. Oh my god. Right, I'm not expecting it to be so small. It's like, it's really a keychain. It's like so small. Yeah. So it comes with this keychain holder, this metal piece here. Yeah, let me just attach it. Nice, so it hangs like that. So you can actually attach it to your bags or anything like that. There's a USB-C, so I guess it's I guess it has power on it. Let me try to switch it on. I guess this is power, right? Oh, nice, it's on now. Alright, select mode. Alright, so this is probably like camera, and this is video. So how do I press? I think I press. Right, oh nice, there's a LCD screen. Cool, can you see it? Cool, man. Take a photo like that. And just close the box. Kodak. Nice. Cool. Okay, I don't know. Oh, this is black. Oh, this changes the filter, the different filters. There's just scroll it through up and down. Nice, amazing. Oh, nice. Wow, this is nice, guys. Look at the size of this thing. Can take photo. I guess it has a memory card, which I think is a micro SD. Yeah, micro SD card. Yeah. Oh, can't wait to try it out. So guys, I got the blue one, which is this one. Yeah. I kind of hoped to get this one, the Kodak one, or this one, but it's okay. I kind of like this as well. Quite cute. Oh, this is a nice product. So guys, if you really looking to get one, I can't wait to test it out. I'll show you some pictures after taking some with it. Yeah, so yeah, this is it. It's a nice keychain. You can hang it anywhere. You can bring it anywhere. I guess you can just hang it on your car keys and you have a camera with you. What a nice product. Nice. So guys, yeah, this is it. The Kodak Charmera. Nice. See you guys in the next one. So if you like contents like this, do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.